What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Luis, and for today I'm gonna be installing the new graphics that I ordered for the 5.0. And it took a while for the package to get here just because it's been raining for the past week, and it got pretty flooded out here in these streets and downtown and pretty much everywhere except for our streets. Our streets were not that flooded, or actually weren't flooded at all. So well, I got mine like 3 days ago, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, let me show you guys where I'm gonna add the new graphics on the 5.0. As you can tell guys, the stand looks nice and clean. It's been a while since I washed it, probably like 2 weeks or so. But the past 2 weeks it's been raining like crazy. Luckily today, and well, the past few days, it's been pretty good days. I had a chance to wash it. But yeah, it looks nice. And I clip art just the hood, since I'm gonna be adding those new graphics on there. The sides and the back is still pretty good. They didn't look that bad, but probably another day I'll do that when I have more time. But yeah, I'm gonna add the graphics on the hood vents right here, the outside part and on the inside part, right here from the end all the way to the beginning. That's pretty much it. Nothing too big, just a little basic thing, and hopefully it comes out pretty good. We'll see. But yeah guys, let's get started on this install, and I'm gonna put you guys on the side over here. All right guys, I want to go get a canopy. It got freaking hot outside, so I needed some shade to put this graphics on there. But yeah, let me show you guys real quick. It'll do, right? It give me a little shade. The sun is pretty bad. There was clouds, but it got pretty bright. Man, it's hot. But yeah, that'll work. All right guys, all you're gonna do is just clean the surface up as best as you can. Just take off all that extra dirt. Some soap and water, the graphics, some rags, and a squeegee. And that's pretty much it. But yeah, let me go ahead and start with this install, and I'll put you guys over here on the side. Alright guys, one side is completely done. Well, almost done. All I need to do is take off those extra bubbles, but that's easy. But as you can tell, you guys kind of get the picture, right? Go a little back, but damn, it's gonna look pretty good. Alright guys, so let me finish up the other side, and I'll show you guys at the end what it looks like. is, guys. It's pretty much all done. It ain't nothing too big. It's something basic. Nothing too fancy. But it makes a huge difference, honestly. I can't stop smiling. Let me give you guys a low shot real quick. Oh yeah. Damn. It's lined up pretty good. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. All right, guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. As you can tell behind me, the stand looks pretty good. But there's so many more exterior mods that I want to add to the Mustang, from the front lip, lower grille, upper grille, side skirts, deck lid in the back, the spoiler. I just want to make it look a little different and just kind of stand out a little bit more from the rest of the Mustangs. We'll see. But if y'all enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.